What's better than the word free? Freer? What's going on, guys? It is your host, The Broke Consumer, here to bring you another video. Today's video is all about these bad boys right here. Now, what am I doing with them? I'm giving them away for free.
Favorite happiest moment ever.
That is correct. Free 99, 5-finger discount, all that good stuff. Y'all not stealing it from me, but y'all get the gist. So pretty much giving these away for free. Now what you gotta do to get them for free, real simple steps, guys. All you gotta do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, go on to in the description box, you can see the link to my Instagram account for this channel. Make sure you follow that. Now when you do all that, all you gotta do after that is right down below on this video, comment that you did it. Do all that and you're already signed up, you're good to go. If you're already subscribed, all my 2 subscribers, how many they are, I think I got 17 right now. You already, don't worry about that part, just do everything else. Once you do all that, you got a chance to get one of these bad boys for free. Or I might just do one person gets all cases for free. I don't know, who knows, we'll see what happens, right? So try your luck. It's not gonna hurt. All you do is subscribe. I mean, can you not? You feel? Am I that bad of a YouTuber where you can't even just subscribe after watching this video? And if this video count gets a lot, and I only get 2 subscribers out of this, then I only get two subscribers. But yeah, guys. Other than that, that's it. Make sure you follow all the steps. I'll see you later. Peace.